It's my first day without Charlie. I'm bummed. We did bring her along with us, and apparently I'm on the plane. I always hate this because we don't see each other for years, so yeah. But we're gonna go to Tokyo Station this morning because I gotta pick up some new train things, and then we're gonna go to 109 because there's a My Melody cream collab, and then we gotta go to ACDC Rag to see if they got the restock of the hoodie that I want. But yeah. I didn't want to do too much today, but everything's coincided, so let's go. I was gonna go straight to the store, and then I remembered that I need to try and get the Jemerey tourist keyring again, so I gotta go to the other end. Me pay to leave and re-enter the station for them to not have it again. So outside of the, I think it's the north exit, there is the JR East Service Travel Center, and if you like an Instagram post, you can get a keyring. But let's see, out of stock. There's like a circle thing on here, and it has it on there, and then it'll have a thing on there if it's out of stock. So we just paid to leave the station. I'm gonna go back in from outside because then I know where the train store is, because it's like underground. I don't know, I always forget how to get there from inside the train station, so this works anyway. So we want to go out that one, the north, and we're gonna go, oh, I'm tired. And then we're gonna go down here, we're gonna just keep going until we get to like the south entrance basically. Go all the way to the south exit. I'm trying not to show people, but you can also go through the central underground because it is literally it is right there. Did, however, online tell me that it opened at 9. It must be the other one. It lied to me. Cool. Alright. This says 10, so we wait 5 minutes. The thing about me being here before it's open is I'm not the first one waiting. I'm the third. You go, my friends. The thing saying Sweek is graduating, all that bums me out. Ooh, yeah, I want that. It's a magnet ticket. Really want to get the Dr. Yeller of the talking one, but I don't even know what it would do. Because I have the Yamanote one, but I said bye to the store. He's graduating. Yes, my speaker said goodbye to the staff because he's graduating. To Shibuya. Where don't you go? This way. It's a nice day. Oh, the renovations outside. It's a nice day to get the front of the train. 109. Hello. I realized the Kurumi My Melody collab is tomorrow. I'm tired. It's been a long trip. Oh well, I have other things that I can do today. This is so good. I'm gonna find a bunch of matching stuff for me and Chloe. At least I was able to find out that I do not like the texture of the honey cinnamon jacket that I wanted, so or the cardigan. So it's nice out. I'm gonna go to the Mega Donkey. We tried going in there the other day and it was a nightmare because we were here at night time. So let's go. I want the Donko fake Crocs because they're like taller than the Don Pen ones, but I don't think they come in my shoe size, so I need to come to this one because I'm hoping they have more to see if they do come. Loves the gaze. I always love sexy dunker. And they have a full tank here. I'm gonna have to blur it. to cut the bottom off these back massages, but they're rubber chickens. They had other stuff I liked, but not the sandals that I wanted, so I didn't get anything. I can always come back. I have days. But now I'm going to go to IKEA to have a snack, and then I'm going to go to PARCO because there's an Evie plushie that I want that I have not picked up yet, so I'm going to see if I can find it. Godzilla, Nintendo, Capcom, Shonen Jump, Sega, Monster Hunter, Pokemon's over the other side. To walk towards the Sega store. I need to stay focused because I'm here for an Evie plushie. I need to go this way, not that way. Luigi. I love Luigi. Mewtwo. You're on temperature. Oh, someone's sad. No. Not that one. It's very cute, but also not that one. Also not this one. I got this one. It's not either of them. I don't think they have it. But they do have Whooper. They have it. They have big Whooper there. That's something I might get from the airport if I still have money. It is an older plush. I wasn't expecting it. Okay. Guess we go to the Sega store. I have been bamboozled and tempted back in. This is not the Sega store. I really want the salmon run clothes. I did get that Isabel shirt last time I was here. Like, when would I ever wear orange? But also, this is everything. To run away from it. I still have to decide if I want the Big the Cat acrylic. I did get her. She's so cute. I just wish there was more of them. There is that blind box that cream comes in, but like the likelihood of me getting it, is very low. Like, she's so cute. Like, I don't think I'd be upset with any of the options. No, I would be. I would be upset with the chaser. Nice day. I'm just gonna walk to Harajuku. Nothing but time. nice stroll in the breeze. It's so much quicker just to get a video. That is so loud. Please have it, please. We're there now. We're gonna go there later. Because I need to go to Uyghur first. Rag first. I think it's 2. Is it 2? Yes. This first, then Uyghur to get bags, and then I can come back there. Hi. They have it, they have it, they have it, they have it, they have it. Oh, yes! I did it. Still had some of the keyrings left. It was a novelty present for buying them. I'm so happy. Congested. This is just because, I don't know, something, it might be the full foliage here or something, but or the pollution, but yeah. When I'm back in Narram, so Melbourne, Australia, I do sound a little clearer. Distracted. I must stay focused on what I was doing. I will come back to you later. Just gonna end up in the basement store, but oh well. I don't think they have the bags here. Unlikely. If you want any like the Tenchi or subculture styles, there was heaps of Ikabuker in I think it's PARCO. Haven't had a lot. It's in the annex in PARCO. That's where Uyghur is. I'm gonna go down into the basement one. I video called wife while I was in there to make sure she definitely liked this bag. She's very picky about bags, which are valid. And we went with the ones that I was going to get anyway. Why am I out of breath? So now I can just go get a bunch of stuff to decorate them because she's going to have no idea how it's going to look. So yay, We can go down to that gacha store, we can go to Daiso, we can go to Donkey, we can go to any we go, we can find like plushies and stuff, it'll be fun. Back here, we're going to Cipla to get plushie, like little plushie dangles. I really like the idea of getting the gacha ones because then, like, I don't know what we're gonna get, and it's kind of fun. I forget where I'm going every time. B1 will work. The bags are for her birthday, so one's for me and one's for her. She likes when I do matching stuff for her because it's like she missed out on being, you know, like a teenage girl and best girly pop friend, so I like doing that kind of stuff for her, and it's fun because I like doing it too. And we like pretty much all the same stuff. Well, we like a lot of crossover stuff. We'll be doing it again today. I gotta get Gumi right. So also remember this afternoon, any gacha that I buy for this, any gacha that I buy for this specifically, needs to go in these bags, or I will never find them again until I do my opening of all of them, and I don't want it to count towards that. So that's a nightmare. However, I did already do these and they match our bags, and it is in the big gacha vat. Oh, I gotta do that one. Alright, I need to exchange money. I forgot my coin thing, which sucks. Oh well. Alright, let's get coins. Finally. Sonic. I'm in Yodobashi. Oh, they have the big one. The big one. What is it like? Yep. I went back to the hotel earlier and like packed up my bags and like cleaned up my locker a bit because it was terrible. And then I rested for a bit and ate some candy and drank, hydrated a bit. I need to come out, get some stuff to eat. I think I'm just gonna eat fruit and rice bowls tonight, which will be fantastic because I don't want to go anywhere to eat. Yeah, so I'm looking for bag stuff in Yodobashi before I go to Donkey. If I go to Donkey tonight, I don't really want to go all the way to Donkey, but yeah. But I might walk all the way to the supermarket to go get fruit. I didn't want to go to Donkey. Oh, okay. I didn't want to go to Donkey tonight, but this is what the Jemerey section looks like right now in Yodobashi. Like, oh my god. Okay, this is not happening. This is a nightmare. But when I'm done at Dompen, I'm coming back for you. I'm gonna win one. I can feel it. That's the lies talking. The sweet, sweet lies you tell yourself. Well, yeah, I can knock some of those in. I have no coins at the moment, and I'm not splitting a 10,000 here. I hear the clapping robot. I hate you. This morning I have to decide between anime or 109. Because the Kaiba store opens and I got my dates wrong for 109. My Melody Kuromi collab with 109, so close. Or Crab Corp store. Crab Corp store is probably gonna have a bigger line and like it's not gonna all sell out, but like I want to go there and it's closer. I'll just think about it, figure it out. Okay. Oh, this is like taller than me. Oh, it's so overstimulating in here again. Alright, are we seeing the vision? I am Kuromi. Wife is this fella. This one is for me. This one is for her. You see how the colors match? Yeah. Okay. We can't get tons of him and like super cute stuff. Her secondary character is Kitty-chan because she likes kitty. We're gonna get this. Adorable. And then we're gonna get me a Kuromi one. So cute. And then my secondary character when Kuromi falls flat is my Melody or Pochoko, because Pochoko is one of my favorites. I prefer Pochoko over my Melody, so I'd get Pochoko. We still want to come back for clothes another day, but that's not a today expense. We budget. However, I have to see if I can fit into the Donko ones, even though they're too small. They just fit, kinda. Oh no. Oh, my hair keeps getting in the way. I think Charlie would come absolutely tell me off if I didn't get them. I'm gonna get my down pen clothes the same day I look at other clothes. The shoes were an exception because they sell out my size super quick. And they're not even my size. I could get the Dom Pen ones, but the Dom Pen ones aren't platform, and I want platform and donker. I'll not be talking about how I spent 90 Australian dollars on key rings and Crocs. I'm gonna go back and win me my slime, and then I'm gonna go to the grocery store. I didn't get it. I filmed it in the other aspect ratio. I didn't get it. I wasn't gonna get it. Tweaker. I got my appy, I got some salad for vegetables, and now I'm just gonna go get some rice and maybe some potato chips. I did not win anything in the crane games at Yuribashi. I now know not to play the ones at Yuribashi. I know which Gaikoro I can win at, and I know which of the other ones I can win at, but no Yuribashi. Yuribashi is good for gacha. Guaranteed prize.